Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to increase download speed in Brave browser. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before we dive into Brave browser, I would like to share a system setting, okay? So first up, go ahead and find your search bar and type down Control Panel, okay? Click on it. Now go ahead and go to the top right. Make sure that you're under large icons. Now gotta find a network and sharing center. Click on it. At the top left, we have change adapter settings. So click on it. Now go ahead and double click on the network that you're currently using. Now just click on properties. Now go ahead and find Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP IPv4. Click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and click on properties. Now go ahead and copy my settings, okay? Obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. Now go ahead and test it out. Download something from your Brave browser. If it's too laggy, well, go ahead and change this one to 1.1.1.1, and then the alternate DNS would be 1.0.0.1. Okay, then once that's done, just go ahead and click on OK and check if it helps. All right, so if you want to go ahead and try and make your Brave browser download even faster, well, you can go ahead over to the URL box. Now go ahead and type down Brave://flags. Okay, and then once that's done, just hit on enter. Now go ahead and find parallel downloading. Okay, I'm going to use the search bar right here. Parallel, just like so, downloading. Now what you're going to do is just click on this drop down and then just hit on enabled. And it says here, enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. It is suitable for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android. And then once that's done, just click on relaunch right here. It will reopen up your Brave browser. Now after that, go to the top right, click on 3 horizontal lines, go ahead over to settings. And in here, you gotta find system in the left panel. All right, just gotta scroll all the way down, and here we have system. And let's go ahead and find memory saver. Okay, right here. You're gonna want to toggle it on. And it says here, Brave frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives active tabs and other apps more computer resources and keeps Brave fast. You can go ahead and set this one to maximum, okay, for maximum memory savings, or just balanced. All right, and after that, go ahead and restart a Brave browser and you should be good to go. And that is how you increase download speed in Brave browser. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.